Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Polo 1.0 TSI R-Line finished in a metallic reef blue paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and automatic transmission, perfect for a city upgrade. This vehicle comes with automatic LED headlights, great for that visibility, with electric folding door mirrors for that added protection when parked, sitting on 17-inch Bergamo alloy wheels, contrasting nicely against the blue paintwork. Moving into the boot, you can see this has great space of 351 litres, perfect for your necessities or any weekend aways. Moving into the rear seats with a full cloth upholstery offering a relaxing and comfortable finish, allowing a cosy drive, followed by charging ports which are also accessible from the back. Moving into the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the full cloth finish follows through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience with the art and the headrest for a sporty look. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The assist systems are also there to help out on navigate on the open roads. Moving on to your central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations that you can choose from, which will keep you entertained along your journeys. The navigation system is easily accessible to get directions a lot safer whilst driving. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, so you can access apps such as Spotify or Apple Music whilst on the go. For that extra safety, you've got your parking sensors, which are perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks. Following on the central console with charging ports, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact one of our friendly sales team or inquire online now.